Hey, this is Russell Thurston here at Heritage Grove Pecan Farm. Just wanted to share a different type of video with you. I do have the ability to make custom signs, and I thought I would just run through a few things here and give you sort of an overview. I can do these types of projects in the wintertime when I'm not able to do a whole lot outside. And this is a sign that I made for some friends of ours down in South Carolina at Hopsawee Plantation, Frank and Ray Jean. It's another sign that I made not too long ago. This was for a wedding venue here in Virginia. It's one of my favorite signs. I carved this for a retiring police chief with our local government, and he served for 48 years in law enforcement. I took a picture of this and then converted this into a file I could cut. Here's my CNC router working on another project that I did. This was for a retiring mayor with a locality. I do have a Onefinity CNC router. I use VCarve Pro for my graphic design software. And again, you can see this was for Mr. Richard Adams. He served for many years in local government, and upon his retirement, I made this plaque for him and presented it to him. Most of the wood that I use is southern yellow pine that's been kiln dried, and it cuts really well. This is a similar sign. This was for a mayor, and he unfortunately passed away, a wonderful man, Mr. Champ Nowlin. I made this for his family. It's a gift I made several years ago. This is a sign that I made for my own house. This is not a carved sign, but it's a painted sign. Still hanging on the front of our farmhouse. The blue is a film that I use, and I cut through that, and then I can paint the paint color, and makes a nice crisp finished product. This is the finished product. I had painted it gray first, cut through the stencil, and then painted the white. Another gift that I'm working on, doing the exact same thing, cutting through the stencil and then hand painting the letters. Made this sign that was asked of me for a business, and they have a like a consignment shop, and they wanted to hang that sign in the window. This turned out really nicely. This was a wedding gift for a family friend. A historical type of sign. This sign hung in my office at the local government for many years. And this is another sign that I made sort of with the historic and nostalgic look that I also kept in my office, hanging on the wall for many years. Did this one for fun. I live in the Brookneal area. Patrick Henry had a home nearby, and I got a kick out of making that nostalgic historic sign. Another Christmas gift that I made recently. Carved it on the CNC router. It's got the gray background with the white lettering. Again, another gift that I made for a very close friend, someone really close and special to our family. This one I did not paint. I thought the lettering in the natural wood looked really good. Did this sign for a friend. This was pretty popular, this message about family, God's earthly gift. This is another look at the CNC router. It's kind of a slow process. I'm an amateur at it really, and have a lot of ways that I can improve, but just wanted to give you a little video. Look how nice and crisp the detail is. So I painted this southern yellow pine first, and after I painted it, lined it up on the machine, got it clamped in really well, used the VCarve Pro software, and then turned it loose here And I made a number of these as gifts not too long ago, and I feel like they turned out really well. So just going through the nice crisp detail with the CNC router, and when this finishes up, you'll be able to see what the finished product looked like. And again, I have a lot to learn, but I enjoy making these custom wood signs for friends and family. Mainly have done this just as gifts to give to people. So this part of the video is just about done with the CNC router, and it's only one or two more shots after that. But I do want to thank you for watching. This is again something that I can do in the winter when I'm not able to get out and do a lot of work on the pecan farm or pecan farm. So had a bunch of pictures, had a few videos, thought I'd string those together here and sort of narrate the storyline a little bit for you. And I hope you've enjoyed the video. I will leave my email at the very end of this piece, and if you want to reach out to me, then just the best way to contact me is at the email. But want to thank you for watching and hope you have a great day. And I put one more shot of that town logo that I carved. That was the top of an old desk that I recycled for this upcoming shot you'll see here, the town of Brookneal, that I gave to a retiring police chief. Used recycled wood, and it turned out really nicely. I want to thank you for watching and hope you have a super day. And again, if I can help you in some way, just send me an email. Thank you.